Welcome to ZK Mobile, your trusted source for the latest in mobile tech. Today, we're diving into a powerful new contender in the smartphone world, the Nokia X700 Pro. With bold design, upgraded internals, and a return to premium features, Nokia is aiming high with this release. Let's see if the X700 Pro lives up to the hype. Design and display. The Nokia X700 Pro brings a modern aesthetic with its glass back, aluminum frame, and ultra-slim profile. It features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate and QHD+ resolution, offering vibrant colors and smooth visuals. The in-display fingerprint scanner is fast and accurate, adding both convenience and a clean look. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the X700 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage. This setup delivers flagship-level speed and multitasking. Gaming, streaming, and everyday use are handled effortlessly, thanks to advanced cooling and software optimization. Camera system. The camera setup is where Nokia takes a big leap. The X700 Pro features a 108 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 10 megapixels telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Low-light photography is enhanced with advanced AI processing, while 8K video recording makes this a solid choice for content creators. The 32 megapixels front camera ensures crisp selfies and smooth video calls. Battery and software. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, the X700 Pro easily lasts a full day on a single charge. Fast charging at 65W ensures minimal downtime, and wireless charging support is a welcome addition. Running on a clean version of Android 14, Nokia promises 3 years of major updates and a clutter-free experience. Final verdict. The Nokia X700 Pro is a bold step forward, a flagship that combines performance, style, and camera power. It's a serious competitor in the premium segment and a strong statement from Nokia. If you're looking for a high-end smartphone with a fresh identity, the X700 Pro deserves a spot on your radar. Outro. Thanks for watching ZK Mobile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world of smartphones. Let us know in the comments. Would you pick the Nokia X700 Pro as your next daily driver?